Prototyping, prototyping, prototyping. Probably you're listening to these words, you have thought, oh man, at least once in my lifetime I have wanted to create one of those beautiful applications, beautiful websites, share them with my angel investors, share them with my friends, share them with my manager. Unfortunately, I don't have the right UX skills, UI skills, and I'm not the best software developer to make them real. And I completely understand you. My name is Federico, and for the last 13 years, I have developed multiple pieces of software. And let's say that when I need to create prototypes, it hasn't been the smoothest experience ever. And many times I have relied in paper and pencil or in PowerPoint. And unfortunately, none of them is the right choice, especially in these days. This time, I'm bringing you some tools that can empower you and your team to move to the digital world and start creating digital prototypes, especially functional prototypes. The first tool is called Pencil. Pencil is a free and open source application available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Additionally, it has already some toolkits for Android, web applications, desktop applications, or Apple applications, all from one place. Finally, it allows you to export it and share it with your friends as a functional prototype so they can start testing it and seeing it. As you can see, this prototype is not exactly the nicest one. However, it's a free tool and you can start doing your work, especially if you have a limited budget. The second one, and my favorite one, is called Adobe XD. Adobe XD is a freeware tool available for Windows and Mac. What else it has? It allows you to build web applications, desktop applications, mobile applications with the latest designs, including material design, Apple design, or Universal Windows platform. What else you can do with Adobe XD? To have real-time collaboration. Share the link with your friends, with your co-workers, and start collecting feedback in real time. And as I said before, these prototypes are using the latest technologies. So similarly, this application, as you can see, this prototype, it looks very beautiful because it's using material design and it's very eye-catching. And as a bonus, I'm bringing you Figma. Figma is a web application that allows you to create beautiful prototypes. It's as simple as Adobe XD and has the option of real-time collaboration. The only disadvantage that I noticed, it doesn't have those amazing toolkits for material design, Apple design, and you need to craft almost all from your own. But believe me, I have seen amazing results with this tool too. And these are my options. I'm inviting you to test Pencil or Adobe XD and share with us your results. And if you know another option, why don't you share it in the comments and let's create more amazing digital prototypes. See you the next time. Bye.